everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm NG Styles. So tonight we are gonna be making a dark eye circle treatment. You know, dark eye circle, puffy eye. So I know that all skins are not the same. Every time I keep saying this. So when you use a particular, that's why we have different kinds of treatments for different kinds of skin type. So when you use a particular one and it didn't work for you, get back to me, and then I might recommend another type for you, or another remedy that you will use to solve your problem. But before you do that, make sure you use the particular treatment patiently for at least 4 weeks. Use this for at least 4 weeks, because all skins are not the same. If your skin receive it under 1 week, you will see results. Some people take few days to just see results. A lot of people have been writing to me, you know, sending email and asking me how they can get rid of their dark eye circle, and I have recommended some different routines for some people, and they came back to bless me, you know, saying that it worked for them. So that's what I'm talking about, because everybody, when you talk, I need to know what kind of skin type you have, and how far you've been, your treatment or whatever you have been using have been worked for you, so that I will know the type of routine to recommend for you. Okay, so let's get right to the video. All right guys, so to make this, here are the ingredients we're going to be using for this treatment. So starting here, I have my papaya oil infused at home, and here I have my rose hip oil. Very good. Rose hip oil is a very good natural skin lightener. If you know about it, you can make the research yourself. Every ingredient, please, if you try and research any ingredients you don't understand and see the benefits. So here I have my vitamin E skin oil. I have my frankincense essential oil, very good and lightens the skin. Here I have my sweet orange essential oil, of course you know the work. I have my licorice root extract skin lightener. I have my green tea extract, antioxidant, and very good for reducing puffy eyes. And I have my saffron extract, antioxidant and improved skin lightening. I have my giga white extract, very powerful skin lightener. So that's what I'm saying. My giga white is a liquid, so I don't know about the powder one. This is the one I know about. So I have my giga white, and here I have my niacinamide vitamin B3 powder and aloe vera gel, and I'm using the healing therapy. So let's get formulating. So to start, you get your beaker and a plastic spoon. So I'm going to start by adding the niacinamide powder first. Niacinamide dissolves easily. Oil, water doesn't have prep. So I'm going to be adding just a little, about half teaspoon or quarter teaspoon. Of niacinamide, depending the quantity you're going to make. Then I'm going to add, next is aloe vera. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera healing therapy gel. You can use any type of, when it comes to aloe vera, you can use, but if you can get this particular one, is very, very good, because this has been formulated already formulated to treat the skin, to heal anything on our skin. So after adding the aloe vera, I'm going to add my licorice extract. Now I'm going to be adding a little, just about half teaspoon of licorice extract. add my saffron, half teaspoon or so. Add my giga white extract. Okay, added some more. Hope it's not gonna whiten. Nothing, it's not gonna do anything. It's gonna just lighten up the skin. Then add my tea tree. And then I'm going to stir it properly. So after stirring it, you can see you will get a smooth gel like this. Then now we start adding our oils. So I'm going to start by adding my papaya oil. I'm going to add about 10 drops. My rose hip oil. Ten drops. Add my vitamin E skin oil. Then add the essential oils. So I'm going to be adding 4 drops each. Four drops of orange oil and 4 drops of frankincense essential oil. Smells amazing. Then give it a good stir. Stir it properly until all the oils are well combined. So after mixing it together, you can see, so here is our eye cream, eye gel, or eye treatments, anything you call it. So what you do is, after cleansing and toning, then you apply it. Like I like to apply it as last thing before after moisturizing, you know, after cleansing your face, toning your face, and then moisturize your face. So what I do, I just tap it around my eye, you know, tap it all over my eyes and leave it there to absorb. It absorbs easily, so you leave it to absorb into your skin. So you can use this every morning and night before going to bed. Okay, all right guys, so that is it. If you have any question, leave it down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you are new or you are just passing by, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. All right, so love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Stay organically beautiful.